welcome back to my channel. I missed you all. I've missed doing Makeup Mondays. I know it's been a little crazy. I've been like doing some Twitch streams, and I had charity streams and incentives and stuff going on. So now that I got those out of the way, I'm slowly getting back to my scheduled content. If this is your first time coming in here, welcome. We always love new people. I really appreciate it if you join us. We have the subscribe button. There it is right there for you. Come join us, baby. So on the weekend, I did a little bit of shopping, and I have a mini makeup haul for y'all today. I want to show y'all the stuff that I got, and we're going to try it on today. We're going to have a full review. So let's get into it. So I ran out of the essentials. Okay, I ran out of concealer. I ran out of primer. I ran out of setting spray. And that's the essentials, honey. If you don't have primer or concealer, you're not going to have a good time. I went to Lovely Target, and I definitely spent a lot of money. So I recently picked up, this is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and it has 4% niacinamide. I wanted to try this because I'm always down to try new products. I'll try anything once. Like with food, I'll try makeup once. And if it doesn't work out, hey, it's okay. At least we learn, right? And I believe niacinamide helps with discoloration, skin texture and things like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments. I'm still learning a lot of these ingredients. But on the back of it, it says grips makeup and help even skin tone with this 4% niacinamide infused clear gel primer. It says to use my fingertips and pat into skin. Allow to set for 30 seconds to absorb and activate grip prior to makeup application. So we're going to try that. And we're also going to be trying the new product I got. I have a Makeup Revolution spray. This is the Matte Fix setting spray, oil control, blah, blah, blah. I've used this before, but I don't buy a lot of Makeup Revolution. So I was like, you know what? Let's try it out. We haven't bought it in a while. Let's see. Let's just test it out. So I know some makeup artists and some people, they spray their face before their primer and then after their primer and then during, and they do several coats of setting spray. You really just find what works for you. You know what I mean? Find what works for you. If you want to do it before your primer, go for it. If you want to do it multiple times during, that's all you. Do what you gotta do. Okay. So now we're going in with the primer, the grip primer, and I just realized I do not have my mirror on me, so I'm just kind of blindly doing this, which I don't know is a good idea. But it said to pat it with your fingers, so I'm trying not to rub. That is definitely a bad habit of mine. So I figure while we are waiting for this to set, I could do my eyebrows. So let's do that. Getting it nice and in the cracks and crannies of the crow's feet, honey. We're in our 30s. We gotta be gentle with our skin. We can't be over here pulling our crow's feet, doing all this. No. We don't do that. Be gentle. Be gentle with your mature skin, okay? Not me saying mature skin. Like I'm fucking 60. I will see y'all in 30 seconds. Boop. 30 seconds have definitely passed. But with the power of editing, we're gonna make it look like that shit just happened. Okay. Now that we got the brows, honey, let's get into my face. I realize I haven't done a non-voiceover video in quite a while, so it's definitely, it's different content. Y'all get to hear how awful I am with speaking. I know English. All right, so now that it's done, I'm just gonna do another little spray over, because why the hell not? And next product we're gonna test out. I have, I finally got my favorite. This is like my favorite concealer in the whole wide world. This is the ColourPop Hydra Fresh, Pretty Fresh. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. This has been my staple for a long time. I think recently they had like new packaging and I think different ingredients or something different, but it's still the same. I absolutely adore this. So how I like to do concealer, I like to do a little bit of that, and then I will go on the outer part of the eye and do that. And then same thing for the other side. I will kind of just make a little splotch in the inner corner. I used to do like the full sweep under the eye, and I find that is just a little bit too harsh. So this is a good break for me. I've seen other people do like little dots, and no, I need a little bit more than that. So anyway, once we get our concealer in, we're gonna be using our nice saturated, hydrated, wet sponge. You are a person that has a lot of like eye bags like me. I like to had my face down and look up like this, so my bags open up a little bit and I can work that product in my bags. Also, I'm totally open to other techniques that some people use. If you have a technique that you like, please let me know in the comments, because I am open to any suggestions and any techniques that you all find that works for you. See, I think I got too much fucking water. I think I got too much water on this damn. I think I got too much water. I do, because this is like leaking. And it's like messing up the product. So the rest of the thing is putting too much water on your sponge, which is what I just did. And what's happening now is it's wiping off the fucking product that I'm just doing. So I'm gonna have to go in again and put more. You gotta trust the process, right? Okay. Trust the process, y'all. Another thing you can do, good Lord, it's wiped off like all my shit. Another thing you can do is use a concealer brush. You don't have to use a beauty blender. Literally what works for you. You can use something like this. This is a double-ended concealer brush, one for fluffing it out, one for more precision, like for brows and things like that. I like to use it for both. So let's see what this does. Also, I find some artists, they will put a little bit of setting spray on their brush to help. Whatever works for you. Whatever works for y'all, okay? Everybody's different, and that is okay. There's no one golden way of applying makeup. Whatever works for your skin, whatever works for you at this time is fine, okay? Remember that. What I'm doing right now may not work for me the next 5 years. That's okay. It's all about learning and growing. Okay, that looks a lot better, okay? Now, I'm gonna put a little bit of setting spray on this, okay? I don't like to do a lot of like over baking under my eyes because of my eye bags. And I just don't like a lot of product on my face in general because I have a textured face. Like I have moles, right? I have like acne scars. So I try not to put too much product on my face. And I find that works for me. So the next product we're going to be using is the lipstick. This is the Stila Stay All Day lipstick. And dude, this was on sale. Like a lot of their Stila products was on sale. And I was like, holy shit. So I tried this one out. This is in the color of Rubino. Honey, look at this shade. Look at this. I wore this last night for a date night. And oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous. Look at that. This is gonna be my color for the next several months, okay? At least until the summertime. I'm gonna finish my face. I'm gonna do a quick look, try on this lipstick, and give y'all my full review on these products, okay? Be right back. All right, y'all, this is a complete look. It is done, it's complete. What do y'all think? Is it cute? Is it fashion? Are you yeah? The review on the products that I got. The products. So, the concealer. This is my favorite, tried and true. I did mess up a little when I was trying to blend it with the Beauty Blender. I added too much water. That's totally my fault. But the quality of the concealer, I really do like a lot. Like, literally, look at this. Girl. And, like, I don't even have any finishing powder on this. And I love it. I love it. I love it a lot. This makeup application, I actually used a different foundation. I used the Juvia's Place foundation because low-key I forgot I had it. And I was like, you know what? Let's something a little different. And the Juvia's Place foundation, it is way thicker than MAC. So literally a little goes a very long way. Like, honestly, it could even work as concealer. So that combined with this, it works. I feel like it might be a little too cakey if I do more, but for what it is right now with my eye bags and everything, I'm liking it. With my skin. You know, you gotta love your skin, okay? When it all comes down to it, y'all, you have to love the skin that you're in. I know that sounds cliche, but at the end of the day, with all these products, reviews and everything, if it doesn't work for your face, it doesn't work. If it does work and you still see things that you're like, I don't know, hey, you can't, you can change your skin. That's what, plastic surgery is for. But essentially, time's gonna catch up, okay? And all that. Where am I going with this? Good Lord. The primer, the Power Grip Primer, it is sticky. Like, it's like lip gloss sticky. And I'm pretty sure that's because with the niacinamide in there and the reason for it and everything. I'm going to continue to use it until I'm done with it. But so far, I like it. I do like it. Really, it makes sure my makeup ain't going nowhere. Like, I'm going to do a before and after picture. I wore this last night actually on a date. And I'm going to post it right here. But and I streamed in that same makeup, and like it was holding down really well. So I'm liking this. I'm gonna try and find different ways to apply this instead of just using my fingers, and see how I like it then. Maybe I won't do all of the matte fixing spray like before and after, during, middle. I might do less of those and see if that changes it up a little bit. But I do like the primer. I'm gonna continue it and see how more I like it. But for right now, it's a guess for me. The matte fixing spray, again, this, it says what it does, baby, okay? It is a matte fixing spray. I think I got this for about $8, and it is oil control for sure, because I do have a lot of oil in my T-zone area, and I noticed like last night and even like now, I do not have a lot of oil buildup here. I mean, it's also the winter time, so I'm less oily in the winter, so, you know. But, and also I do a lot of skincare as well. So my oil control has been better just simply because of just skincare, you know. So this helps. I do like that it's matte, because I do like a matte finish when it comes to like my foundation. I don't like dewiness or oiliness because bitch, I'm already oily. But this doesn't over dry me like some makeup sprays do. So this is a win so far. Definitely keeps my makeup on. As for the Stila lipstick, the Stay All Night liquid lipstick, this, I'm gonna let y'all come here. I wore this last night and I did not wash my face last night. I know. It's crazy. Why would I do that, right? I was really sleepy. I streamed in this. I went to bed in this. I woke up the next day, today, and the shit was still on my motherfucking mouth, okay? This is a great lipstick, okay? This is a great lipstick. When they say stay all day, baby, it's staying. It's staying. It's not going anywhere. And that's proof in the pudding, okay? So this is a hell yes. Again, I got this on sale. This was 50% off. So this was like $10. Original pricing, I think, is like $25. Still not terrible. But we love a deal. The ColourPop was $8, I believe. A steal. The Power Grip Primer, that was, I think it was about $10. Still not that bad. And like I said, the MAC Fixing Spray was about $8, I want to say. So total, what did I spend? So total, I spent about like $35, $36. Not bad at all. These are good products. I'm so glad I got my ColourPop again. I'm so happy. And yeah, I'm just going to keep trying them out and see how I like it. Don't be afraid to try new products, y'all. Okay, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. It's better you try products like this that are on sale. You know what I mean? That way you're not putting too much in the bank. And don't be afraid to mix up different brands, you know? Like you can have name brand primer and use like a drugstore foundation or an indie brand foundation. You know what I mean? Like, don't be afraid to mix up stuff. You don't have to have all e.l.f., all ColourPop, all this, all MAC, all NARS. You know what I mean? Like, you don't have to do that. So definitely play around. You know, don't be afraid to play around. Also, continue to love the skin that you're in at the end of the day. Like I said, be good to your skin. Okay, don't go to bed in your makeup like I did last night. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm so glad to be back. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Any suggestions on application. I'm always down for suggestions. Any new videos y'all want to see, any new trends y'all want to see, definitely let your girl know. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.